Quantum computers need special error correcting codes to stay reliable. But figuring out how to actually run calculations inside those codes has always been a slow, manual puzzle. This new research introduces a smart learning framework that automatically figures out those operations, even for unusual codes that didn't have standard recipes before. It's like teaching a computer to solve the puzzle itself.
That's a big deal for a few reasons. First, it could dramatically speed up the design of practical, error-protected quantum computers. Second, the framework can be tailored to real-world noise, meaning it works with the messy, imperfect hardware we actually have today. And third, it successfully rediscovered every known solution for several well-studied codes, which builds real confidence that it's finding the right answers, not just lucky guesses.
Next up, the team wants to test this on real quantum hardware and stack these codes in layers for even stronger protection. If that works, we could be looking at a genuine shortcut toward fault-tolerant quantum computing, which would be a landmark moment for the whole field. Exciting times ahead.